Hey guys, Anshu is back with another video, and in this video we are going to configure the humidity and temperature sensor with the Arduino Uno. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's go through the parts used in this project. Up here is an Arduino Uno. Have a closer look to the Arduino Uno. And this one is a little breadboard, and I'm going to use it in the project. And this little guy is the DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. It have a sensor over here and the red light over it for the indication, and some jumper wires. So let's get started. Okay friends, so simply take the humidity sensor and connect it to the breadboard anywhere you want, and take the jumper wire. And I suggest you to take the orange color and simply connect it to the ground of the sensor and connect it to the ground of the Arduino. So any ground you want to connect, you can connect. Now take the white for connecting it to the data of the sensor, and this one goes like here. And now just connect it to the analog 0 of the Arduino. This one goes like here. And now take the green one and go for the VCC of the sensor and connect it, and attach the VCC to the 5 volt of the Arduino. Okay, now on the PC, simply open the code which we have given in the description. Now what you have to do is add the library file which we have given in the description. Go to the sketch and include library, and simply click on the add zip library. Now select the library which we have given in the description, that is DHT library.zip, and simply click on the open. Friends, I have uploaded it very early, the library, so it is giving an error. You can, if you upload, it will give a successful notification. Now connect the Arduino like that, and just click on the upload button. Okay friends, everything is done. Now just test the sensor. Go to the tools and go for the serial monitor to monitor the temperature and humidity. Okay friends, on the monitor you can see the current humidity of the room and the temperature, that is 32 degrees Celsius. Now let me put some ice on the sensor to see the temperature down, and as you can see the temperature has gone down to 30 degrees Celsius, and also the humidity has got decreased to 43, and the temperature is going down with a constant rate. So it's done, the sensor is working. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more cool videos like this one.